Okay, we have a law of sines application here from 7.2, and we have the angle of elevation from the top of a building 45 feet high to the nearby antenna is 15 degrees 20 minutes. From the base of the building, the angle of elevation, no, not elation, of the tower is 29.5 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spend some time kind of figuring out what we know. We actually know a fair bit. We're trying to find this. Well, I know that this right here is a right angle. So then this whole angle right here is 90 plus this 15 degrees 20. So this is 105 degrees 20 minutes. This angle right in here, this one, that's a right angle. So that's 90 minus 29.5. So then that leaves me with 60 and a half degrees. And then this third angle up here is 180 minus these two, which will give me 14 degrees, 10 minutes. At this point, all I've been doing is constructing angles, okay? This is a right angle. That's going to be useful. What I can figure out right now is this right here. With the information I've been given, I can find this. And the reason I want that is that's going to then give me the information to find x in the right triangle below. So I'm going to kind of work through the triangles. So up here, the sine of 105 20 degrees is to my out here, this, I'm going to call this y. Okay, so I'm going to call that y there. As the sine of 60 and a half is to, no, not that one. It's not the one I want. I'm like, I didn't think that's the one I want. I was going the wrong way. I need the sine. I want the sine of 1410 is to 45 because that's the side I know. Okay? So then I'm going to work out this equation. 45, the sine of 105, 20 degrees equals y times sine 1410, or y equals 45, the sine of 105 and 20 degrees divided by the sine of 14 degrees, 10 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to get out my calculator and I'm going to crunch this through my calculator. So first thing to do is check and make sure you are in degrees. Well, turn on your calculator. Okay, I'm in degrees. So then I'm going to do the sine of 105. Now you can convert this, but remember if you go to Second Apps, you can put in degrees and minutes. Okay, times 45 divided by the sine of 14 and then 10 minutes. Okay, so what this has told me is that y here, so this long blue one, what I know is that y is, what is this, 177.32. So this is never going to leave my calculator here. Okay, so I know that. So this right here is 177. This is a right triangle. I can just use my trig relationship. So then the sine of 29.5 degrees, okay, equals opposite x over hypotenuse, which is my 177.32. So then x is going to be 177.32 times the sine, which I just wrote really badly, of 29.5 degrees, or 29 minutes, 29 degrees, 30 minutes. So then I get my calculator back out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the answer times the sine of 29.5. And obviously you could use the minutes as well. So then my tower is 87.3 feet tall. So x equals 87.3. And I think I was in feet. What was this original problem? Yep, feet. So this is the height of my tower. Now, as a note, I was going to say something. What was I going to say? Uh, Obviously, there was a couple of different ways to do this. This is the most straightforward, but you could probably make this work another way. You could have used law of sines again here. You had some choices in how you did this, but a lot of it's just figuring out the pieces you do know to get to the pieces you want to know. So anyways, I have videos up on how to do the angles and minutes if you had any trouble with that earlier from like chapter 1. So hopefully this helps you with this new material.